QuickBooks and Accounting, a step-by-step guide for beginners on QuickBooks, and a complete guide to financial and managerial accounting, written by Gerald Keynes, narrated by Rudy Norman. QuickBooks, a step-by-step guide for beginners on bookkeeping and accounting, written by Gerald Keynes, narrated by Rudy Norman. Introduction. QuickBooks Desktop is the Intuit-powered software that moves numerous mid-sized companies in a new way. Companies may, however, take even the latest approach by integration with QuickBooks Enterprise Cloud that links teams located in various regions, works best with each computer, and interacts on-site even when they don't live in one place. Why organizations will adjust the way they work is what content is used to curate. In the last few years, the global accounting industry has made enormous strides over efficiency, reliability, and security. Much of the credit is paid to computer high-end applications such as QuickBooks that have entirely automated, complicated accounting procedures and tax, thus saving busy professionals time and effort. This focuses on the value and advantages of QuickBooks from remote access, but first, let us know how QuickBooks Apps makes a difference in modern accounting practices. Accounting technology is available promptly in blocks and types of cement as well as in online stores. Similarly, you have to make a point of selecting the accounting program that suits your business. Use these tips to choose the right accounting schedule for your service. Chapter 1. What is QuickBooks Hosting? With the massive accessibility of accounting software on the market, several businesses routinely climb Everest, which is a good sign of market growth. Most SMEs approach financial portals without having second thoughts that could otherwise convey. In many ways, startups can consider these portals easily. QuickBooks Digital Editions, the highly recommended accounting and tax applications, have brought the entire business world to a new level by providing endless features. QuickBooks standard models were initially developed and produced by Intuit and have been widely implemented in millions of organizations, offering consumers simplicity and reliability. But with time, both users and the organization have recognized the need for something more sophisticated and secure. Technology has no limitations, and rather, it spans time. Every second is essential when it comes to the world of business. Intuit also seeks innovation that can be useful to its consumers and, in the meantime, gives them greater flexibility without sacrificing on data security. Cloud technology is the perfect answer to every Intuit problem, and therefore, the real need for a hosting provider is recognized. To make it simple for already hooked consumers, Intuit has decided to extend QuickBook functionality and offered a decent option to turn machine-based software into cloud-based software quickly. Now that this migration is at its height, Intuit has asked third-party providers to sell their QuickBooks product integration servers. As its name indicates, many third parties have approved the quote from Intuit, and validity passed by third parties may only provide the hosting service. The main question, what is running QuickBooks? Where most of the already hooked users all make use of the service, some fail to know precisely what QuickBooks hosting is. Do you have to buy it from Intuit? Does data integration mean that access to desktop software is lost? And a lot more. But, in fact, hosting QuickBooks is a way to get an instant entry into the cloud network and access your data files. The data stored in the cloud network can be accessed only when hosted on a computer. The third party provides its service.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?